Hello student, in this video we are going to learn about a drilling machine and the different operation performed on a drilling machine. Now generally we know a drilling machine, hand drill we know, but here we are to learn about a radial drilling machine. So figure you can see in your screen a radial drilling machine. So you can see the different parts of the drilling machine. So this vertical part is called as the column of a machine. This horizontal part is called as a radial arm. On this arm, this vertical part is a drill head, which is again at the end of drill head a drill spindle is there, in which a drill is mounted. Below that a table is there on which a workpiece is placed and you can do the operation, and all these parts are mounted on the base. This is the base of the drilling machine. Now we'll see how this machine is operated. You can see the video. You can see the video here. Now see this. Right now this arm is inclined. So this arm can be rotated along the column. This column is vertical. Arm can be rotated around the column. So it is also called as a radial. So also this arm can be moved vertically on the column. So two motions can be given to the arm. One is a circular motion around the column and a vertical motion along the column. As well as you can see this drill head. Drill head also can be moved linearly on the arm. You can see this motion. So any position of workpiece can be accommodated on the work table easily. So when you rotate the wheel, the drill head, the drill spindle can move vertically to do the different operation. This is how a different parts can be moved or can be given a motion by various way. Okay. So let's move forward. This is a block diagram. You can see it is there in your notes also. So generally this motion to the drill is rotating. So this rotary motion to the drill can be given with the help of a motor. So we have to provide electricity. So what is the function of drilling machine? Now as we know, a drilling machine can be used for making a circular hole inside the workpiece. Okay, so same function is here. A drilling machine or drill machine can be used, or drilling is an operation of making a circular hole by removing a volume of metal. So when you are drilling a hole or you want to make a hole inside the workpiece, you have to remove something from the workpiece. So a circular hole is made by removing a volume of a metal from a workpiece by using a cutting tool. Cutting tool is called as a drill. So this is a drill here. So what is the working principle? How the hole can be drilled? The rotating edge of the drill. So this is a drill here. A figure is shown here. This is a drill. So rotating edge of a drill exerts a large force on the workpiece. The edges of the drill will drill is rotating, so it will apply a force on the workpiece, and due to this force generated, the metal or volume will be removed from the workpiece and a required size of hole is created in the workpiece. So this is a working principle. Due to cutting edges, metal is removed and hole is manufactured or hole is made. Now what are different operations which we can perform? First operation is drilling operation. So what is a drilling? Drilling is the operation of making a circular hole inside the workpiece. So this is a drilling operation. Just we want to make a circular hole of any size. So this is application. Gas burners having a small holes that can be manufactured by a drilling operation. So you can see here the figure. A hatching portion is given in the workpiece and a drill is going inside the workpiece. This drill is shown here. So only circular hole is manufactured here. only circular shape. Second is reaming. So what is the reaming operation? When a hole is drilled inside the workpiece, so inside surface of workpiece is inside surface of drilled hole is not finished. So we want to achieve a finished hole from inside. So a reaming is operation of a sizing and finishing a hole which is already drilled by drilling operation. So just you want to finish the hole which is drilled. So a tool used in this case is called as a reamer. Then boring. Boring operation. What is the boring operation? When you are drilling any size hole. Now second time you want to increase the diameter of a hole which is already drilled in previous operation. Then a boring operation is used. So boring operation means it is the operation of enlarging a diameter of hole or enlarging a size of hole which is already drilled in the drilling operation. Just here we want to increase the size. So that total hole size will be increased. Diameter will be increased. Total, suppose this is a workpiece, hole is drilled from top surface to bottom surface. So total diameter from top to bottom surface will be increased. Now what is counter boring? Counter boring is operation of enlarging the end of hole cylindrically. Here only end of hole will be increased cylindrically. Now what is the difference between boring and counter boring? In counter boring, the drilled hole is in diameter of drilled hole will be increased throughout, and in counter boring operation only top side for limited size only the diameter will be increased. So enlarging a end of hole cylindrically means it is a counter boring operation. Then next is counter sinking. It is operation of enlarging a end of hole conically. Now you can see here a conical shape tool is used to increase the diameter. So when a end of hole diameter is increased conically, then it is called as counter sinking. Next operation, tapping. So it is operation of cutting a internal threads in the workpiece. Then the operation is called as tapping operation. So generally you can, if you see the nuts, nut and bolt, you know, on the bolt external threads are there. In nut the internal threads are there. When you want to assemble nut and bolt for fitting purpose, so you have to use nut and bolt. So for nut the internal threads are there. It is having a hole, central hole, and internal threads are there. So tapping operation is used generally for the internal threads manufacturing. You can see here first one is counter sinking and this is the counter boring operation, and here tapping operation. You can see the figure here. When you want to assemble the screw head is conical, so that time you have to use counter sinking. This is a bolt head is cylindrical, so you have to use counter boring operation for fitting purpose. Then the tapping operation, internal thread. These are the figures, counter sinking hole and counter boring hole. Now next operation is trepanning. So what is the trepanning operation? Now when you want to produce a large diameter hole, then a trepanning operation is used. Now generally if you see a size of drill is very small, so if you want to produce a large diameter hole, that time that much size of diameter tool or the drill is not available, that time you can go for trepanning operation. So trepanning operation is operation of making a large diameter hole by removing a metal from a circumference of a hole. So that time tool used is also called as a multi-point hollow tool. Then spot facing. What is spot facing? It is operation of enlarging hole to a large diameter and making the surface of the bottom of the large diameter flat. Now generally you can see here this top portion where diameter is increased, it is a spot face portion. Now in same counter boring operation, same operation we can perform, but in counter boring operation you are increasing a diameter for somewhat larger length. Here very small length diameter is increased, means it is generally used for placement of washer. All of you know washer having a very small thickness. So here also a diameter is increased, but it is very small length. Now here you can see the different operation again. Okay, drilling operation first. Here spindle is there, workpiece in the spindle, drill is fixed. Then when you rotate the wheel, drill will go inside and drilling operation will be done. Hole is drilled. After drilling, you want to finish the inside surface of hole. Then you have to use the reaming of reamer. Then operation is called as a reaming. So first drilling is done now. So this much hole is drilled. Now we have to finish the hole from inside. Then reaming is used. Reamer is used. The reamer will go inside. In the reaming operation, very minute amount of particles are removed. And high surface finish hole will be the output of the process. Then next, boring. Here boring operation, the hole is already drilled. So you want to increase the diameter of hole. So tool name is boring tool. So diameter will be increased throughout. Whatever hole size is there, total hole size diameter will be increased. You can see here. Next is counter boring. You can see here counter boring operation. Counter boring tool is used. Workpiece is shown. It will enlarge the hole, end of the hole cylindrically. You can see end of hole will be enlarged. Counter sinking, end of hole will be enlarged conically. Conical shape will be given to the end of the hole. Then tapping operation, internal threads will be produced in the hole. Spot facing, you can see for very limited length the diameter is increased. Likewise, the different operation can be performed. So here you can see the hand drilling machine is also there, and this is manual drilling machine. So here we have completed the operations on the drilling machine. Thank you.